Sushant Singh Rajput's sudden demise has left his upcoming and last film Dil Bechara co-star Sanjana Sanghi shattered. Taking to Instagram, the rising actress posted a video in which she is seen recalling her moments spent with Sushant on the sets of the film and how he had always encouraged and motivated her to achieve big in life and do something for India's education system. You gave me a forever within a limited number of days, and for that I am forever grateful. Our beloved novel, The Fault in Our Stars. A forever of learnings and of memories. I refreshed my webpage 100 times hoping I'm reading some sort of horrible joke. I'm not equipped to process any of this. I don't think I ever will be. I'm definitely not equipped to articulate my feelings. This is me failing but trying. We were to save all our anecdotes and stories from the time we spent shooting together up until the release of our film. So we kept them in our stomachs till now, Sanjana wrote. While remembering Sushant, Sanjana got teary-eyed in the video. After 2 years of seemingly all the possible difficulties one single film can face, with all sorts of crap constantly being written and being relentlessly pursued, we were supposed to finally watch it together. My first, and what you told me you believed was your best film yet. Sanjana, who is going to make her film debut with Dil Bechara, also spoke about the praises she had received from Sushant for her acting. Amid your journey and in the middle of 16-hour-long shoots, you somehow found a way and had a desire to yell out to me from the opposite side of the set screaming, "Rockstar, itni achhi acting thodi na karte hain pagal." To guide me over things, big and small, through our film's process, to tell me to conserve my energy on set, to discuss even the smallest nuance you thought could change the narrative of a scene and would wholeheartedly accept my disagreement, to discuss ways in which we could together forge a brighter educational future for the children of India. Sushant was found hanging at his Bandra residence in Mumbai on Sunday morning, mourning his demise. Sanjana continued, "You were a force, Manny, and you always be. We were going to spend an eternity to try and make sense of what you have left us behind with, and I personally never will be able to. I simply wish you never left us behind in the first place. Just know you have a country full of millions looking up at you, smiling at you, thankful for you. As you smile back at us from up above, the fact that you get to spend the rest of your time by your mother's side, I know you give the only happiness you wanted in the world," she concluded. Dil Bechara is an adaptation of John Green's novel The Fault in Our Stars. The film was initially set to release in November 2019, which could not happen due to several reasons. Renowned casting director Mukesh Chhabra has directed the film. IANS report.